Get ready to unlock 20 early Black Friday car gadgets. Deals on Amazon with savings up to 60%. From rare, trending must-haves to game-changing car accessories, we're revealing gadgets that can upgrade your ride and lifestyle before the big sale rush even begins. Stick around as we dive into these exclusive early deals. You won't want to miss the chance to save big and drive smarter. Number 1. Astroai Windshield Cleaner Tool. Say goodbye to streaky windshields with the Astroai Windshield Cleaner Tool. Its dual-sided microfiber pad scrubs and polishes effortlessly, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort and reach for every corner of your windshield. Compact and durable, it's perfect for car mirrors, sunroofs, and even household windows. This early Black Friday deal is ideal for drivers who want a sparkling clean car, saving time and effort while keeping every drive safe and crystal clear. Number 2. Rove R24K Dual Dash Cam. Upgrade your car security with the Rove R24K Dual Dash Cam, capturing front and rear views in stunning ultra-high definition. Its built-in GPS tracks speed and routes, while loop recording ensures you never miss a moment. Motion detection and parking monitoring add extra protection, and Wi-Fi connectivity lets you easily transfer footage to your smartphone. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for anyone wanting peace of mind and professional-grade dash cam features. Number 3. Amooca Car Seat Headrest Hook 4-pack. Keep your car organized with the Amooca Car Seat Headrest Hooks 4-pack. These sturdy hooks hold up to 10 pounds each, perfect for groceries, handbags, backpacks, or kids' toys. Sleek and durable, they attach easily to headrest poles, keeping your floor clutter-free and safe from spills. This early Black Friday deal is ideal for families and commuters looking to maximize space and convenience while adding a small but impactful organization solution to your car. Number 4. Bluedriver Pro OBD2 Scanner. Stay on top of your car's health with the Bluedriver Pro OBD2 Scanner. Plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port and pair it with your smartphone to access real-time engine data, check engine lights, and reset codes. Compatible with most vehicles, it helps monitor emissions and perform safety checks easily. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for anyone who wants professional-grade diagnostics at home, helping save money and keep your car running smoothly without expensive trips to the mechanic. Number 5. Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Keep passengers entertained on long drives with the Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Its adjustable clamp fits most tablets, while 360-degree rotation allows perfect viewing angles for movies, games, or video calls. Soft padding protects devices, and installation is quick and tool-free. Durable and versatile, it's ideal for families or road trips. Snag this early Black Friday deal to upgrade your car's entertainment setup, making every journey more comfortable, enjoyable, and stress-free for both kids and adults. Number 6. Wolfbox Electric Air Duster. Clean your car and gadgets easily with the Wolfbox Electric Air Duster. Unlike canned air, this rechargeable device delivers continuous, powerful airflow to remove dust from hard-to-reach corners. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for car interiors, electronics, and delicate items. With a long-lasting battery and ergonomic design, cleaning becomes fast and convenient. This early Black Friday deal is an excellent opportunity to grab a professional-grade tool that saves time, effort, and money while keeping your car and devices spotless. Number 7. Superone Retractable Car Charger 4-in-1 Charge. Multiple devices on the go with the Superone Retractable Car Charger 4-in-1. Its multiple ports power phones, tablets, and more simultaneously, while retractable cables keep your car tidy and organized. Built-in surge protection ensures devices remain safe, and its compact design is ideal for daily commutes or road trips. This early Black Friday deal helps you stay connected and powered wherever you go, combining convenience, safety, and versatility in one sleek gadget for your car. Number 8. Andery MagSafe Car Phone Holder. Secure your iPhone with the Andery MagSafe Car Phone Holder, designed for MagSafe compatible devices. Its magnetic grip keeps phones stable while driving, and the adjustable arm fits most vents or dashboards for the perfect viewing angle. One-handed mounting makes it super convenient, while its sleek design blends seamlessly with any interior. Grab this early Black Friday deal to make navigation, calls, and music easier and safer, keeping your phone accessible without clutter or distraction while driving. Number 9. Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator. Lightweight and easy to store in your trunk, it's perfect for cars, bikes, and sports equipment. Automatic shutoff and multiple nozzle attachments make it safe and versatile. Take advantage of this early Black Friday deal to keep your tires properly inflated, ensuring safety and peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Number 10. Wigoo Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. Keep your phone steady and accessible with the Wigoo Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. Its strong magnetic grip holds all phone sizes securely while offering effortless rotation for optimal viewing. Quick installation works on dashboards or air vents, and the sleek, compact design won't clutter your interior. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for drivers looking for convenience, safety, and style, making navigation, music, and hands-free calls easier on every journey. Number 11. Volam 9-inch CarPlay Screen with Backup Camera. Upgrade your driving experience with the Volam 9-inch CarPlay Screen with Backup Camera. This all-in-one gadget offers a large, clear display for navigation, music, and calls, while the backup camera ensures safer reversing. Easy to install and compatible with most vehicles, it transforms your car's infotainment system. This early Black Friday deal is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want smarter, safer, and more connected rides without spending a fortune on a full system upgrade. Number 12. Tykor Car Cup Holder Expander. Never worry about fitting large drinks in your car again with the Tykor Car Cup Holder Expander. This simple yet practical gadget expands any standard cup holder to hold oversized cups, bottles, or travel mugs securely. Durable and easy to install, it prevents spills and keeps beverages within reach while driving. Snag this early Black Friday deal to upgrade your comfort and convenience on every commute or road trip, making your car more functional and organized. Number 13. Aleopix 2500 Watt Power Inverter. Power all your electronics on the go with the Aleopix 2500 Watt Power Inverter. Perfect for cars, trucks, or RVs, it converts DC power to AC, letting you charge laptops, appliances, or small devices anywhere. Built with safety features like overload protection and temperature control, it ensures worry-free operation. Grab this early Black Friday deal to make your car a mobile power station, ideal for road trips, work on the go, or emergency situations where reliable electricity is a must. Number 14. Lebogner Steering Wheel Desk Tray. Make your car a mobile workspace with the Lebogner Steering Wheel Desk Tray, ideal for eating, working on a laptop, or organizing paperwork. This tray attaches securely to your steering wheel and folds away when not in use. Durable and easy to clean, it adds convenience without taking up space. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for commuters, remote workers, or busy parents, giving you a flat, stable surface anytime you need it inside your car. Number 15. Deosk Car Trunk Organizer for SUV. Keep your SUV clutter-free with the Deosk Car Trunk Organizer. Featuring multiple compartments and sturdy construction, it holds groceries, sports gear, tools, and more securely. Foldable and portable, it's easy to store when not in use, making it versatile for everyday errands or weekend trips. Take advantage of this early Black Friday deal to maximize storage, stay organized, and protect your trunk from spills and damage, creating a tidy, functional space for all your car essentials. Number 16. Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler 2-pack. Stop losing items between seats with the Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler 2-pack. These slim inserts fill the gaps between your car seats and center console, preventing phones, keys, coins, and other small items from falling. Easy to install and remove, they fit most vehicles and add a sleek, protective barrier. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for anyone tired of awkward reach or clutter, keeping your car clean, organized, organized and frustration-free on every drive. Number 17. Vanmass Strongest Suction Car Phone Mount. Keep your phone secure on the road with the Vanmass Strongest Suction Car Phone Mount. Its heavy-duty suction ensures a firm grip on any dashboard or windshield, while adjustable angles provide the perfect viewing position for navigation or calls. Quick to install and remove, it combines convenience with stability. This early Black Friday deal is ideal for drivers seeking a reliable, hands-free solution that keeps devices visible, accessible, and safe, making every journey easier and more organized. Number 18. Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Transform your car's infotainment system with the Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter. It allows wireless connection for navigation, music, and calls, eliminating the need for cords while keeping your iPhone seamlessly connected. Easy to set up and compatible with most vehicles, it adds convenience and modern functionality to any ride. Grab this early Black Friday deal to make your daily commute or road trips smarter, more enjoyable, and wire-free, giving your car a tech-savvy upgrade in seconds. Number 19. Nmoiss Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Protect your car interior from sun damage with the Nmoiss Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. Its unique umbrella-style design opens and closes quickly, blocking harmful UV rays while keeping your car cooler. Lightweight and portable, it fits in most vehicles and stores easily when not in use. This early Black Friday deal is perfect for sunny climates or anyone wanting to preserve their dashboard and seats, making every parked car comfortable and protected without hassle. Number 20. Magnetic Leather Sunglass Holder for Car. Keep your sunglasses within easy reach with the Magnetic Leather Sunglass Holder for Car. Its magnetic closure secures glasses safely, while the leather design adds a touch of style to your interior. Easy to install on any visor, it prevents scratches, falls, and distractions while driving. Take advantage of this early Black Friday deal to upgrade your car's organization and style, ensuring your sunglasses are always accessible and protected during every trip, commute, or road adventure. That's a wrap on the 20 early Black Friday car gadgets deals on Amazon 2025. Grab these trending, must-have accessories now to save big, upgrade your ride, and enjoy smarter, safer, and more convenient driving before the big sale rush.